In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from Freshdesk. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few quick tips so your export looks the way you expect. Start by logging into Freshdesk. Open your browser, go to the Freshdesk site, and sign in as you normally do. If you're using a shared computer, make sure you're on the correct account, since exports reflect the permissions and data you can see. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Analytics. This takes you to Freshdesk's reporting area where you'll find dashboards and individual reports. If you don't see Analytics, you may need the right role or permission, so check with your admin. Next, open the report or dashboard you want to export. Pick the one that contains the metrics you need. It helps to scan the widgets and confirm the time range and filters are already set. Your export will follow what you see here, so a quick review now can save you from exporting the wrong slice of data. At the top right of the report, click Export. This opens the export panel with options for what to include. Choose the report pages you want. You'll typically see pages like Resolution, First Response, and Next Response. Select the specific pages that matter for your audience, or, if you need everything, click Select All. Being intentional here can keep the file size manageable and make the output easier to share. If needed, adjust the optional setting called Download Current View. Toggle this on if you want the export to reflect exactly what's on your screen, including any filters, segments, or date ranges you've applied. Leave it off if you want the default view defined in a report. When you're ready, click Download. Freshdesk will prepare the file and start the download. Large reports can take a moment, so keep the tab open until it completes. By default, the file saves to your browser's Downloads folder. If your browser blocks downloads or asks for permission, allow it so the file can save. After it finishes, open the file to verify the content looks right. If you're sharing it outside your team, consider trimming any private data in the source view before exporting. And remember, exports capture data at the moment you run them, so repeat the process whenever you need the latest numbers. That's it. You've successfully exported your Freshdesk report. You can now attach it to an email, drop it into a presentation, or archive it for your records. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you export your next report.